Hello, I'm Michelle Hyde, owner and president of Simply Bookkeeping. Getting a notice of audit from the CRA can be a truly scary thing for many small business owners. And we're taking the fear out of getting audited by helping small business owners understand and prepare for the entire audit process. Today I'd like to talk to you about the different types of CRA small business audits. Every year, every one of the 1.1 million businesses in Canada are required to file tax returns, HST remittances, and payroll source deduction with the Canada Revenue Agency. The information you submit is checked by an automated system when you file, but for the most part, the CRA takes the numbers that you are submitting at face value. Sometimes, however, they want to look at what is behind those numbers, and that is what they'll trigger an audit. Think of an audit as a way to ensure that the business owners and managers are running their businesses in compliance and to give the public confidence in the fairness and the integrity of the Canadian tax system. There are several types of audits that the CRA can trigger. The most common audit is an income tax audit, but they can also perform an HST audit or an employer compliance audit. During the audit, they simply want to make sure that the figures that you are filing are properly supported and reported. You'll need to have copies of all the invoices for revenue you generate and receipts for all of the bills your company pays. Businesses that have vehicles that are used for commercial purposes should maintain travel logs, a list of the date the vehicle was driven, where it was driven, and how many kilometers the trip was. For an HST audit, the CRA simply wants to see that your business is collecting the proper amount of HST on the products and services that your business provides, pay the proper amount of HST on the products and services your business purchases, and remits the balance. During an employer compliance audit, the CRA will want to prove that you are deducting the appropriate Canada Pension Plan, employment insurance, and income tax deductions for all your employees and properly reporting any other taxable benefits. And with all three different types of audits, they will want to see you're filing properly and on time. One thing that a lot of people don't know about audits is that the CRA will tell you what type of audit they are performing, and you are only required to provide them information pertaining to that type of audit. For example, if they trigger an income tax audit, you are not required to answer questions or provide documentation for the HST remittances. This doesn't mean they won't trigger an HST audit if they see something in your income tax audit that raises questions, but they are not allowed to audit your HST remittances under an income tax audit. Therefore, you should be very careful about what information you give them during the audit. You shouldn't simply turn over your QuickBooks file and let them look at whatever they want, because they might bump into something that could raise a red flag and cause more difficulty and stress for you. You should always access and retrieve the information that they are looking for, and you should give them nothing more and nothing less than what they ask for. Seeking the help of a professional bookkeeper can take a lot of the worry out of getting audited. A good bookkeeper is trained and experienced in leading their clients through an audit and making sure that only the appropriate information is given to the auditor. Even if you haven't used a bookkeeper to manage your business finances leading up to an audit, they can still help you through the audit process, and depending on how the audit goes, you may wish to retain their services to help make sure your business is complete compliance moving forward. If you say the word audit, Most small business owners automatically think of an income tax audit, but there are also HST audits and employer compliance audits. An audit is simply a spot check to make sure that businesses are in compliance with their tax remittances and withholding appropriate deductions from employee pay. If you are being audited, make sure you understand the type of audit that will be performed and only turn over information that is pertinent to the audit. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or need more information, please feel free to contact me through my website. I look forward to hearing from you.